When you're done watching this video, you will have a clear understanding on what the notifications that Selfcast sends you actually means. So to understand this correctly, there is a selection process that you need to know of. As a talent, there are 4 steps that you're sent through before you're booked. This is where you land if you apply the job yourself or if a producer has put you in the option basket without you knowing it. So this is the very first step before you're booked. If you are selected by a producer to go in options, you will receive this notification. A producer has suggested you for this job. Please click here and apply for the job if you're interested. So what you have to do now is just go in and check out if you want to apply it or if you want to decline it. It's just important that you react, because then the producers know that you are active. That means that the producer has now made their first rough choices and are reviewing your profile, among others. And the notification you will see is this.
You're now added as an option for this job. You're now one step further in the selection process.
So this is good news, and you don't even have to do anything. This is just to keep you informed. Now we're moving on to something more exciting. That means that the producer has now handpicked a few talents that could potentially book the job. The notification you will receive looks like this.
You're now shortlisted for this job. Stay tuned for more information.
So when that happens, you should be very excited, and you should keep an eye out on your messages that are sent to you through the app. Because normally when you're shortlisted, the producer wants to see more from you. Maybe it's you reading from a script, or maybe it's just a new picture. Either way, you should be aware of this when you're shortlisted, so keep an eye on the messages. And at this point, it's just pretty much you or one more. It basically depends on the job. And it's called in dialogue because at this point you will have been in contact with the producer or the director. The notification you will receive is this.
The producer is now making the final selections. Keep an eye on your Selfcast messages in the app.
At this point, you should just wait till you're booked or declined, because at this point they might have some minor adjustments to the part or to the date of the shoot, and that can be the deciding factor on whether you're booked or not. And that is the fun part. And the notification you will receive is this.
Congratulations, you're now booked for this job. Stay tuned for more information.
So the producer and you will go over the last final details, and you will receive your contract before you're on the set. And then of course there's one last notification that you should be aware of, and that is if you're declined.
Thank you for applying this job. Unfortunately, you didn't get it this time. See you soon on Selfcast.
Nothing more to do than just get back at it and apply one more and one more and one more, and eventually you will land unbooked.